Okay, we are here with my Elec-Trak E15. I've got a new idea snow thrower on the front of it. I'm going to try to show you what's going on or not going on here. Just to start with, this is a model 26 AE15AA E15 tractor. So if we look at the controls here, with the main power disconnect on, fuel level comes up and the power use gauge comes up. Even if I do something as simple as turning the lights on and off, we can see a tiny bit of movement on there. When I turn the key, just the key itself, that does not make any difference in terms of there's no relays or anything like that changes. Okay. Now with my throttle here, and this is open below, I check the micro switches. They look pretty good, but with it on, if I go into reverse so that the switch here goes up in front, this right hand relay clicks. So that's the reverse relay, does work. Now, the left-hand relay here, I don't know what actually controls that. I'm assuming it's the card here. But if I just try to go forward, I get nothing. No motor spinning, nothing. If I go into reverse, I at least get that reverse relay to click. But that's it. Nothing moves. On the card itself, it does have the classic mice have peed on it syndrome. I do see that capacitor right there in the middle, that I think that's a capacitor. It looks like part of it is broken. Other than kind of the mouse pee and gunk and that one part, I don't see anything blown out. The connections at the bottom, other than just kind of typically being old, I don't see anything obviously wrong. Now, when I tipped this whole thing forward, I did see the one connection on the bottom of this relay down there was pulled off. I put it back on right where I thought it went. And then after doing that, I realized that a wire on the bottom of the reversing relay pulled off. I did slide that one back on into position. I didn't see anything unusual on this resistor board over here, again, other than just mice have peed on it syndrome. But I'm trying to figure out what's going on here, because the problem has been intermittent. So, you know, there's sometimes I could turn it on and just whoop, off I go just fine, and other times not. Like a lot of people, the seat switch has been jerry-rigged, and this also does not have brakes, so the brake switch and the seat switch have both been bypassed, and I did double check those first because those are really common reasons why these tractors don't drive. Anyways, thank you for watching the video, and I hope somebody else out there knows an answer, because I can't push this thing back up into my garage from here, and this kind of stinks.